Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the scavenger hunt quest in the new Fish Eat updates. So if you already find a new island, there is a new quest that you can do. You need to find and use 4 mechanical core. So in here, what you need to do to find it, the first one is located inside this island, this new island. You can just go down and find this tunnels right here, go behind it, and this is where you can find the first mechanical core. You can just take it, okay, and on the second for the second one you can find it in the Fisherman Island. So let's go there. Okay, so here I've already on the Fisherman Island. You can just go to the back of the islands to find the second mechanical core, which is behind these houses. Okay, that one, you can see it's shining, so you can just take it. This is the second core, and let's move on to the third one. So for the third one, you need to also use your boat. It is located in the Kohana Island, so let's go there. Okay, so once you arrive in the Kohana Island, here you can just go straight to this little house in here in the Kohana Island, and you'll find the third core. Okay, and now the last one, you need to also go to the other islands. The island is located near the esoteric depths. I'm going to show you the island. So you can just go to where the esoteric depth is until you find a small island near the esoteric depths. Okay, so this is the island. You can find it in front of the esoteric depths, and you'll find the last core. So after you got all of it, you can go back to the observatory to here you need to use the core. So let's go back to the new island. Okay, so once you're in here, just go inside to use the core. You can just hold it first. What is it? Okay, let's go inside first. And then you can just, okay, so you don't need to hold it, you can just insert it one by one until it's complete. Okay, so now it's finished and it will look like this. Let's see what happens after this. Now we can kill. Okay, this comet is holding some ancient energy. Okay, it's like a short footage. I think there will be a new fish in here. Okay, let's see through the telescope to see what the fish look like. We can just click on view. Okay, this one, this is the comet. Okay, I think this will be in the next update. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.